Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable your animated avatars. So keep in mind they are mechanically built in enabled, so you have to previously have disabled them to go and enable them again, because if you haven't disabled them they are already enabled. So first we're gonna start off by going to our settings. That's located in the top right corner. Now as you can see, we have under True Black Dark mode, we have three options: disable animated avatars, animated emojis, and use default browser to open links. So as you can see, our animated avatars are disabled. So we're gonna turn that off. And now we're gonna click done, that's located in our top right corner, to lock in the changes. So now they are enabled again. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!